Many of the fake or suspect profiles I've encountered, I have found through looking at Facebook groups. I wanted to look at the posts in just one group and see if you can see what I'm seeing. And tell me if it looks as suspicious to you as it does to me. We're going to look at the Mexicans for Donald Trump group. That is a group that exists, and it has about 11,000 members in it. Let's see what they post. Here's one. This is about John Kerry funneling millions from State Department to his daughter's nonprofit. All right, well, I don't know about that story, but let's look at this profile. This profile has just a few photos, and there's a language I don't understand what that is, and a bunch of Trump groups. That's pretty interesting. Not much else to see. Let's see. This story is from Blue Line USA about a guy and Arby's. I don't know about the story, but let's see who posted it. This guy is posting into the Mexicans for Donald Trump group from Kosovo, it seems. Okay. I don't know what that has to do with Mexicans for Donald Trump, but okay. This post is about Trump's military parade idea, and this guy posted it. And this one says he's from the Philippines. That's interesting. There doesn't seem to be any English posted on this page, but this person is interested enough to post in Mexicans for Donald Trump group. This is a story about Robert De Niro and talking about Trump. And this profile is from the Philippines. I'm seeing a pattern here. Again, nothing in English here. And the next post. Okay, does America need to return to its Christian roots? No or yes? That's an engagement post. It's trying to get engagement, which is, fine. But Clinton Stevens here to see what she shares with friends. Send her a friend request. And there is no information available. No friends, and just a photo, and that's it. But interested enough to post in Mexicans for Donald Trump group. Let's see this one. This one is about, should Trump ban federal funds for sanctuary cities in California? Let's see. She went to the University of Eastern Philippines, lives in Paris. That's interesting. And doesn't seem to be much English here, or even Spanish. But again, interested in posting in Donald Trump, Mexicans for Donald Trump. And how about this one? This one is from a group called Jesus Our Savior. This profile, Matali, I think that's how you say it. It's in Sri Lanka. Well, that's odd. But definitely posting in Mexicans for Donald Trump. Why are all these people from other places so interested in posting in Mexicans for Donald Trump group? Are there any legitimate posts from, say, people who are in the United States? Here's this guy. We've run into him in another group, I think. But these posts keep getting shared to Mexicans for Donald Trump group from people from other places. Or at least that's what their profiles say. And that's the activity I'm seeing. People from Macedonia, the Philippines, Sri Lanka, posting in groups that identify as pro-Trump. Why do you think that would be? Could they be paid? And if they are, to what end? Who's behind that? Is there anything Facebook can do about it? Should Facebook do something about it? Is this just ghettoizing the trolls so that they can talk to each other and regular people can go on with their day? I don't know. But stay tuned, because I'm sure we're going to revisit this group phenomenon in the future.